Let's talk about CSRF, cross-site request forgery. It's also called as client-side request forgery. Cross-site request forgery is an attack that forces an end user to execute unwanted action on a web application in which they are currently authenticated. So let's see what is CSRF in little bit in normal way. See, this is a website testphp.vulnweb.com. let's take example this. If you are giving hello here, it's executing hello, yes, fine. And this is a post based, no problem. So for post based CRF you have to create a HTML form, but guest based is very simple. See, I'm giving a hello here and it's displaying hello onto the web page. I'll right click engagement tools, there is a generate CSRF POC. I'll copy this. Let's create a new HTML code there. So csrf.html. okay, now I gave their hello and they are reflecting hello. What I will give their fuck off. Let's see this now. And if someone will open this, let's see this desktop, there the CSR. Let's opening with my Chrome browser. So Chrome is a victim now. Okay, so I opened submit request. What happened? They got fuck off. So this is called client side request forgery. So basically I forged the victim request and I gave unwanted action. They didn't want to give the action. So this is called CSRF. So see this, execute unwanted actions on a web application in which they are currently authenticated. Okay, now this was very simple, but the problem is this supposed to be a critical field. So the vulnerable, okay, this supposed to harm user, this supposed to harm system servers or whatever, okay, or anyway. So let's try on this website. I'll show you later on how to try. This was the basics, okay, the background about CSRF. I hope you understand the CSRF.